Can you draw a picture of a bird?
Too,
A bird?
that
Yeah.
came out because it was on. Yeah.
Where they speak the same language, but they call it a different language depending on what country you're in.
I loved that
So
album.
like in Romania it's Romanian, but in Moldova
That's bird.
it's Moldovan, even though it's the same language.
Just
In
you wait.
India, it's Hindi,
Bird
in
is
Pakistan,
coming into fruition.
Sour candy.
Sour candy.
usually tells
Ha! I Googled too.
That's a banger. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, this is for the fair game. Thank you so much. Just kind of feel still. I didn't really eat a whole lot for lunch. So. Anybody wants?
It looks like a baguette.
Just gotta use the erasing capability.
You can't. It won't be perfect the first
No.
time. You gotta give
gotta,
yourself
yeah.
room to erase.
That's why you don't do it in ballpoint.
Yeah. It feels like a pigeon.
Doing it again.
Your Bella?
Is this the chicken that we keep fucking?
No. This one is asexual.
This is a virgin.
It's
bird.
asexual.
It's ace. It could be both.
I mean, yeah. Okay, hold on.
That's beautiful.
Anything else?
That's a great bird.
Maybe some tail.
That was-
Maybe a tail.
Well, kind of got a.
Not a lot of tail space. Kind of a
Hold on,
tail.
hold
Kind
on,
of a
no,
tail
we can-
tip
we
right
can-
there.
Every Friday they send an email to terrorize us so that we are on tenterhooks throughout the weekend.
That is.
Well, maybe the tail wasn't a good idea.
That's a beautiful.
Last week my.
That is a beautiful fowl right there.
So I'm waiting for guidelines this week.
That's good.
What information it needs.
Nice. That's pretty good. That is a damn good bird. That is a damn good bird.
The biggest bird.
That is a phenomenal bird. Look at that. That's amazing.
That's not an ugly